Okay, there's a problem with the VTX. This VTX causing a problem that it draws too much power from the flight controller. It doesn't light up. As soon as this is plugged in, the XM Plus receiver and flight controller doesn't light up because I think there's something wrong with this VTX that draws up all the power. So my radio's on, and I'll power up now. See, no light, nothing. There's no light at all, anything. VTX no light. So if I take off the VTX, and I've checked all the cables already. I've checked the the back, the ground and 5 volt and the signal, and I've checked it to the flight control board as well. Everything's correct. So when I take out this VTX, which is, I think it's a 41, take it off, and then I plug the quad power, and all the lights come on. Yeah, so all the lights come on, radio's on, connected, XM Plus receiver green, everything's fine. And let me do a startup. Yep, all okay. So all 4 motors are fine. So everything seems fine here apart from the VTX, this VTX problem. Yeah, as soon as I plug it in, everything is plugged in. The camera, the ESC, the soldering's done correctly, both sides, no short. Everything's fine. So I need a new one of these VTX as soon as possible, please.